noise. It's making a noise. Noise. It's making a noise. Noise. It's making a noise. Your noise. It's making a noise. Hello. 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 Noise is making a noise. Then you can't play with your toys. Okay, you can't play with your toys. You can't play with your toys now. You can't play with your toys. Can't play with your toys now. Can't play with your toys. I also thought of this is the last song ever with this entire album slash movie. You know who else is back with us to be on this album? That's right. Me, Roxy. Let's go. She's not even bored after that. So, you know how I am. So by the world. In the movie, you have corrupting in this song. But this one, I think you can't go for this is wrong. She was playing in the background. And one of the songs really excellent. Bye. Bye. But if you want, we can make this scene go even longer. Like into 4 minutes. Past 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Or like any of that. Would never be even made. So good thing I didn't go over 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So let's go home. No, it's almost time to go home. You know the people who want to go home now. Yeah, you know who. You know who. Just tell it. Boo. Okay. Boo. Okay. Boo. Okay. Boo. Let's go. Yeah, you can't even bump jump on your account if you don't want. If you just had a line in your freaking, I just got framed in a picture. I just got framed in a picture. I just got framed in a picture. See, I just got framed in a picture, you know. You know that we only have 9 seconds left, so you better go home. Let's go home, and the only thing I want to say is bye.